Here we are at Lake Davis, listening to the expanding and contracting ice. Does this every morning when the sun hits it.
Only mornings when it's really weak ice. Star Wars.
It's pretty magical. It's really strange.
There's some recent cracks right here.
Some new cracks in the ice. And while the ice is expanding and contracting, you can kind of see it along the edge. You can see the movement of the ice a little bit, moving the rocks and water around. There's a good view of the water moving under the ice. We're setting up to go ice skating. It's beautiful and warm again. Sounds like Star Wars, doesn't it?
Sounds like there's a huge monster coming across the lake at us.
Yeah, it does sound like there's a monster under the ice, swimming through the water.
Alright, escape.
Okay. Sure hope that this camera picked up all the subtleties of the sounds, because it is a trip. I wish Autumn and Rob were here. We'll probably have Jess and Cass here by Friday.
Look at my rescue equipment. Put this in your hand and pull yourself out of the hole that you fell into.
Yeah, if you can find the nails in your pockets after you've fallen in the water. All right. Love you
Escape with
guys.
them like this.
Oh, that's good. In case you fall down, then they'll go down your throat. Just kidding. We're going to have fun today. Bye.